Today we talk about how can you find your reservation on your Cambly app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that with your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So you just go down, click here on profile down here, just click on it here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, so you just go down, click here on reservations here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here, and here you will find all reservation you have here. I have nothing here in this list here, but if you have an upcoming reservation, you will find it here in this list on your Cambly app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.